The whole place stinks of rotten salmon. Wherever there's salmon, there's usually bears. There's lots of salmon on the beach. Yeah, that wouldn't be a bad spot to get out of the rain. So the most important thing my shelter can do is block that wind. All right, I got a nice little shelter here. We're gonna make fire with a piece of flint rock and steel. Got a piece of shredded up jute here. It is cold. I think I need to get some water boiling and make something warm to drink. It's got crispy pork side, beans and rice, empanadas, and tortillas. That is so delicious.